I just would like to say thank you for, kasi ang tagal kong hindi lumalabas sa ere, hindi nakikita. More than a year na. Or, more than a year? A year na. I just want to say thank you for making this day more special for me by being here. Parang feeling ko, meron pa palang may pakialam na akong gagawin. Thank you to all of you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you, EJ. Thank you, everything.
We're very excited to know kung ano ba yung gagawin ni Ate Sharon in the coming weeks. Pero may request everybody first to upo daw kasi yung mga nasa likod daw hindi nila makita. Okay, Kuya AJ?
Yes,
we're ready with the questions. Okay.
Who would like to ask the first question? Siguro si Tito Eugene, you want to ask the first question? Eugene, ask this Nay, andito siya, in the back here.
Hi,
Hi, Kuya Yuj!
Siyempre yung tatanong, how does it feel?
There are no words to describe how happy I am. Sabi ko nga kanina kay Kuya Mario, I'm very, very happy, pero parang hindi enough yung words na yun. It's, I have no words for what is going on inside my heart now. It's overwhelmingly wonderful. It's, alam mo yung pagpasok mo pa lang, ay, nakauwi na rin. Parang gano'n. Nagbakasyon lang. Tapos pag uwi, walang nagbago sa pagtingin ng mga kapamilya mo.
Tapos pakikwento naman paano nag-umpisa yung renegotiation.
We never naman lost touch, but not once did we ever talk about work. Kami nila, Tita Charles, Tita Cory, sila Tita Malu, Inang Olive. Pero, I'll just say Tita Chara was one of the first to know na wala pang may alam na wala na ako sa nilipatan kong station. Alam na ni Tita Charo. And it wasn't because of, you know, I didn't ask her anything. It was out of respect because she's like my mother and sister combined. And then, parang not even a month or two later, yeah, may secret meetings na kami nila. Tita Charo, Tita Malu, Inang, all the planning, all the... it was so touching kasi I was very humbled by my experiences in the last 3 years. So, to be welcomed home with open arms. And not just that, it's to be welcomed home with open hearts, yun. Na walang nagbago. Parang nandito lang ako last week. Walang nagbago sa mga sumalubong sa akin. There's really no place like home. And this is really where, you know, I just don't belong anywhere else.
Tapos, could you give us other details sa...
I'm sorry, Kuya Yuj. Yeah.
Sa bagong kontrata na pinirma mo dito?
First of all...
Your face sounds familiar.
No, we're focusing on this Face Sounds Familiar first because it's a very famous show in 33 countries. And I was given the PowerPoint presentation and some footage of the US version. And my daughters loved it. Na excited sila. After this, ang alam ko, there are some projects in the works. So, siguro they're taking their time because they want those to be really perfect. And I'm very excited for those also. Pero for now, I'm just really happy to be home and doing this show kasi it's fun-filled. I will be working with people I love, namely Direk Lauren, Mr. M, and then Kuya Gary and Jed Medela. So, alam mo yung hinahanap ng tao or kailangan ng tao ngayon na saya, musika, at saka talentong nakikita talaga every week iba, pero pare-parehong mga celebrities. Yun yung excited ako because obviously I've never been in anything like this before. So I'm just as excited as, you know, everybody else in the staff and the crew and